now. And the race is on. The favorite Darlinghurst jumps quick out of the gate and moving up by the rallies Jonas Recipe, Perhaps Love, Miss Bling Bling. Also rising up in fifth, My Treasure. 6 belongs to Play the Music. 7, number 7, Happy Morning. 8 position belongs to Tobacco. Down on the inside is Senor G. And rounding the fourth turn, Darlinghurst, the favorite by about 2 lengths, Perhaps Love. My Treasure on the outside third, Miss Bing Bing. Happy Morning, Jonas Recipe running in 6-7 is Play the Music as they race the final corner. Darlinghurst, the favorite by about 2 lengths, Perhaps Love. On the outside, My Treasure, Miss Bling Bling down on the inside. Happy Morning. And nearing the finish line, number 13, the favorite from start to finish. Darlinghurst by about 6. And finally, Darlinghurst. My Treasure, number 4. Perhaps Love for your Pentapecta. Then comes Slingshot.